So what year is this one? 2009 Ford Edge. We're doing the K&N air filter for it. There's an air box. All you're gonna need to do is disconnect this plug. It's underneath. There's a little clip right there. You pull that red part back and it'll come out. This right here, you just loosen it on this side. It was a flat head, and you'll just twist it and you'll see the click. There's opening there for it. There's two clips right here, and the box should come out, and there's access to it. Right there's the old one, and this one's not in bad shape. We're gonna probably do a little bit of cleaning in here before we put the new one in, so I'll cut back to that here in just a second. But the new filter for this truck is part number 332395. Came from Amazon, so you can order it on Amazon or you can go to your local auto parts store. All right, so we got this one all cleaned out. I cheated, went to the sink. The new filter, we're switching, going to K&N. Much thinner than the old one. It's already all oiled too. It's all red and ready to go. So it's going to be set in place like so, and then we just got to put the top back on it. Two clips are down. Get this out of the way. One, two. Both on. Plug the mass airflow sensor back in. Click. Heard it. And we'll struggle here just because we're on camera. All right, and then all it needs is just the flathead to tighten that up, and it's all installed. Now, if this does anything like my previous videos, we should expect anywhere between 2 to 3 MPG improvement over the stock stuff. So I'm curious to see what this car will do. Thanks for watching.